Every chocolate bar begins on tropical cocoa farms.
Only fully ripe cocoa pods are selected.
Each pod contains the main ingredient of chocolate.
Inside are raw cocoa beans covered in sweet pulp.
Beans are collected immediately after opening.
Fermentation is the first step in flavor development.
Natural heat transforms the beans. Turning ensures even fermentation.
After fermentation, moisture must be removed.
Sun drying takes several days.
Even drying prevents spoilage.
The beans are now ready for shipment.
Beans are packed into sealed sacks. The journey to the factory begins. Thousands of kilometers may be traveled.
The factory receives the raw beans. Automated unloading begins. The beans are stored safely. Dust and light impurities are removed. Metal contamination is filtered for safety. Roasting begins under controlled heat. Roasting unlocks deep chocolate aroma. Precise temperature ensures consistency.
The beans are now fully roasted.
Rapid cooling stabilizes the beans.
The shells are separated. Only pure cocoa nibs remain.
These nibs carry the real chocolate flavor. Grinding begins under immense pressure.
Natural cocoa butter is released.
This liquid is known as chocolate liquor.
Heat keeps the chocolate flowing. Texture becomes ultra smooth. Particle size is carefully reduced. Sweetness is added.
Milk is added for milk chocolate.
All ingredients are blended.
Perfect uniformity is formed.
thickness is digital controlled.
Taste consistency is maintained.
Samples are taken for testing.
Flavor and aroma are verified.
Only approved batches move forward. Conching refines smoothness and flavor.
This process takes several hours.
Then to egg each piece, unwanted acids are removed.
The texture becomes flawless.
The chocolate is now fully developed.
Temperature-stable storage begins. Every degree is controlled. Shaping is about to begin. Each mold receives precise portions. Air pockets are eliminated.
Cooling hardens the chocolate. Cooling hardens the chocolate.
Temperature drops gradually.
Liquid becomes solid.
Fresh bars move forward.
Every bar is inspected.
Defective pieces are removed. Only perfect bars proceed. Wrapping preserves freshness.
Brand identity is added.
Wrappers are sealed. Dates are printed. Tracking begins. Each bar is weighed.
Packing is fully automated.
Ortiz and seals. Boxes are shaped.
Accurate packing continues.
Cartons are sealed.
Shipping info is added. Cartons are stacked.
Pallets are sealed.
Storage begins.
Cold transport begins.
Chocolate travels far. Regional distribution takes place.
Local delivery begins. Stores receive fresh stock.
Products are displayed.
The product reaches the buyer.
The seal is broken.
The texture is revealed.
Cocoa butter melts at body temperature.
Flavor is released instantly.
After enjoyment, only the wrapper remains.
Recycling begins.
Materials are separated.
Plastic is processed.
Paper is prepared for reuse. New raw material is created.
Recycled material becomes new packaging.
The cycle continues.
Production never stops. Operations run day and night. From cocoa bean to chocolate bar, the journey is complete.
This is how chocolate is made. Gray.